Right, the 135 is finished. Everything that I wanted to do is done. So I've got a new radiator. The seat is fixed. The seat suspension is now working again, and it's now adjustable, so the seat can be moved backwards and forwards. I've replaced the hydraulic oil filter and changed the rear axle oil, and now the hydraulics are working much better. They're a lot faster, they're more responsive, and I suspect they're stronger now. Obviously the pre-clean has been changed. All had a good wash, a bit of a scrub up in here. Greased up some points that have never been greased. Got the new leveling box. So I'll start it up.